Ang nakita lang natin ay kung paano gumana yung ACM ng offline. Marami pa ring tanong, lalo na hinggil sa transparency ng mangyayaring 2025 elections. Kasi ang fundamental na issue sa isang automated election system ay hindi mo talaga alam kung nabibilang ba talaga yung boto mo.
Machines are also made by people. It is also directed by people.
If anything is wrong with your machines, it will affect the whole country.
Mula Smartmatic, nagpuntang Miro, so it doesn't solve the problem. Hindi tenable ang sitwasyon na parang yung kapalpakan mula 2010 hanggang sa kasalukuyan, hayaan mong magpatuloy. It's unthinkable for COMELEC to keep a close mind about either manual election o hybrid election man lang. Pero may magagawa pa tayo at yung COMELEC may magagawa pa if it would conduct a very serious assessment of the automated election system.